Indexing and accessing a character in a string is a technique by which we return or access an individual character out of strings. If you can recall, we know that string contains a sequence of character, and this sequence of characters, there can be a need to access an individual character out of this sequence of characters. We use the idea of index or to access an individual character, and we use the idea of slicing to access a group of character or group of characters out of all the characters in a string. So let's look at the index first. The index of a character is nothing but the position of the character in the string. So the index signifies or denotes the position of the character in the string. For example, the index of M in the string mother is 0, while that of T in the same string's mother is 2. And it should be noted that in computer programming, counting always starts from 0. So let's look at this picture. And this is mother. We have the characters as M, O, T, H, E, R in the string mother. So the index of M is 0, yes, and the index of O is 1, the index of T is 2, the index of H is 3, the index of E is 4, the index of R is 5. Remember that in computer programming, counting starts from 0, and the string mother contains 6 characters, but the index of the last character is 5, not 6. This is very, very important in computer programming. Thank you.